What if I told you changing tyres could soon be faster, cheaper and safer? Meet SmartBay, the AI-powered robotic platform that's changing the game for automotive service centres. In just 30 minutes, it gets the job done twice as fast as traditional methods. SmartBay is a cutting-edge system from Automated Tyre Inc. that automates tyre changes and vehicle inspections. Here's the big idea. Instead of the usual manual process where wheels are removed and lug nuts are unscrewed, SmartBay keeps the wheel on the vehicle, changing 2 tyres at once. That's right, no wheel removal needed. Now imagine this, one technician can handle 3 service bays at once. In that time, it used to take one person to change 4 tyres. SmartBay lets one tech change 24 tyres. That's a massive increase in efficiency. Why does this matter? Because speed and efficiency translate directly into profit. Businesses get faster, more consistent services, and customers get their vehicles back faster, boosting satisfaction and loyalty. Plus, the return on investment is immediate. SmartBay's ability to optimize tyre changes reduce labour costs and boost throughput, making it a win for any service centre looking to stay competitive. SmartBay is here to stay, and businesses need to adapt to the new level of automation to thrive in the modern automotive service industry. Please subscribe to the channel for the latest robot news and info.